It's a brisk Sunday morning here in East Tennessee. It's not too bad, maybe 40-something degrees. I'm coming back to an old house that we discovered about 2 years ago. My wife and I went through it, took a few pictures, but not enough. At the time, I was not, didn't have the mindset of documenting this place. It was wide open. The door, there was not even a door on the front. You could just walk right in. Everything was overgrown. The place was for sale. I think there's like 100 acres or something here that was for sale at the time. So now I come back today. It's the first time I've been here since then, and it's boarded up. Apparently it's been sold, and I hope somebody's going to save it. So I'm going to try to get as much as I can. Don't know what I'll get. There's no trespassing signs everywhere, so I don't think it's worth trying to get any closer or go in it. I might be able to walk around it, but I'm not going to try to go in it. So anyway, I'm going to take a few pictures, maybe a little video. I brought a drone. I'm a very amateur drone pilot, so I'll see what I can get with the drone. Don't know if it's any valuable or not. So in the video, if you don't see any drone footage, then it wasn't worth using. So anyway, I'll try it. So let me get a few pictures and we'll get into the video. Here around the back side, it looks like this whole back wall has just fallen out. Definitely an old farmhouse. There's a large barn. And I just saw the power pole there. So that's pretty cool. It looks like, I would assume that if somebody's going to go to the trouble to bring power here, that they're going to try to fix this place. So I hope they are. It's really awesome. So here's what's around the back. All kinds of little outbuildings here. Sheds. So I'm sure there was a farm here at some point. I have no idea how old this place is. I tried to find the address to try to get some tax records and stuff like that, but man, I couldn't find anything. I assume that's an old well pump house or something like that. The road that this is on is Highway 68, but on Google Maps it comes up as Old Athens Madisonville Highway, and it looks like there's possibly an old roadbed that runs right in front of it. So I'm guessing that Highway 68 replaced Old Athens Madisonville Highway. So I have no idea how old this house is. It's really awesome. I don't know how many times I've said it's awesome, but hey, it's awesome. I'll probably say it again. Look at this awesome old tree. So I just came across this little shed here. Looks like it's full of fence pickets. Are those fence pickets? Picket fence? Bunch of milk jugs cut back there. I don't know what they would have done with those. Farm stuff. So I think this is the septic tank, I'm guessing. Alright, so I know everybody's familiar with Cousin Eddie. It's full. It's been unusually warm here. There's flowers growing. This area that I'm in, there's all kinds of grass. This grass is growing. Look how green. It's a beautiful piece of land. It's actually a beautiful area. This whole area is beautiful. I noticed they just, they've cut in a road here as well. You can see it right there. This place is right next to the highway. It's very easily accessible. From what I remember, there was land on this side of the road, and then the land across the street, or highway, that was all part of the original sale as well. So I imagine there's probably a subdivision or something going in here.